A gas explosion rips through a Philadelphia neighborhood late at night. The giant blast killed one utility worker from the Philadelphia Gas Works. 4 other workers and a fireman have been taken to hospital. They've been called to the scene after residents reported smelling natural gas in the air. 50 locals evacuated their houses as the workers attempted to fix a ruptured high-pressure gas main. Firemen and ambulances arrived on the scene 15 minutes after the blast, but it wasn't until the flames died down that they found the body.